and welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya, and on this channel I like to share all things natural living, so essential oil education, natural DIYs, clean living tips, anything natural living you can find here. So today we're going to be making some really easy lip balms. This is a great stocking stuffer for this time of year. Takes minimal ingredients and is really easy to do. But before we get into the lip balms, I did want to announce this is going to be my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Woohoo! So I hit 1,000 subscribers, which I'm so thankful for all of you who come and watch my videos every week. So thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to share something I really love and I'm passionate about with you. Hopefully it provides you a little inspiration to try some of these natural living tips and natural DIYs for yourself and your family. So for the giveaway, it's super simple. All you need to do is be subscribed to my channel, leave a comment down below, whatever kind of comment you want to leave, and then follow me over on Instagram at essentially.tanya, which I'll have all the giveaway information down in my description box. The giveaway will run until December 2nd, and then I'll reach out to the winner, who I will be sending one of my favorite diffusers and some of my oily favorites. So definitely make sure you're entered. Just subscribe, leave that comment, and follow me over on Instagram. Now, let's get into the lip balm. So I have my melting pot here, but you could also use a double boiler. And to this pot, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of hemp seed oil, which is really nice and nourishing for your lips, especially during these dry, cold months. Then I have 1.5 ounces of cocoa butter and 0.5 ounces of beeswax, and the beeswax is what holds your lip balm together. All right, so now that I have that all in there, I'm just gonna heat it up on low heat till it's completely melted. All right, so I have everything all melted down, so now we're gonna add in our essential oils. I'm gonna do 40 drops of lavender essential oil and 15 drops of lemon essential oil. I love the combination of lavender and lemon. It's one of my favorites. So these are a really nice scented lip balm, and plus both of these are lip safe oils. Now the lemon, and if you're wanting to use something like cinnamon, you would just want to make sure you used a lesser amount because that can be kind of hot on your lips. There we go, and give it a quick stir. All right, and now we're just going to get it poured into our lip balm tubes. I'm just using these little plastic ones you can get off of Amazon. You can definitely get the cardboard ones. I will say those are harder to work with because if you happen to touch the side of your cardboard lip balm container with any of the oil, if you don't get it straight down in the middle, then it leaves a stain on the side, so it doesn't look as nice. So the plastic ones are just a lot easier to work with. You could use a pipette to do this, but sometimes that's more trouble than it's worth. If you feel comfortable just pouring it in, that's usually the easiest way to do it. And with this melting pot, it has a little spout, so it makes it easier to pour. And this should make around 10 lip balms. See, not so bad. And if you do spill it, it wipes off really easy, so it's not a big deal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the rest of these filled up. Then you'll wanna let them cool slightly. Any that look like they need a little more, because as the mixture cools, it will fall in some. All right, now that they're all filled and topped off, you just wanna let them cool completely before you wipe them down and label them. All right, and now that they've cooled off, I just take a baby wipe and wipe off the sides, or you can use any kind of damp cloth to do this with. And then I let it dry for a bit a bit before I put the label on it. You do always want to label it, even if you're not selling it, even if you're giving it as a gift, just because people have allergies to different things, and we want them to be aware of what ingredients were used just in case they have any issues. So it's dried off now. And then nothing fancy, just a little label. And I just place that on the side, put the lid on top, and that is all there is to it. Just like that. So super cute and easy. Everyone uses lip balm, at least everyone I know uses lip balm, so it makes a great stocking stuffer, and doesn't take very much time to make a whole lot of them. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Just leave that comment down below. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed here on YouTube, and make sure you're following me over on Instagram as well. Take care, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.